Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Vikas Singh Thakur, and well, in this video, we are not going to see some cool project or something like that. The main motivation of the channel when I actually started this channel was to make an educational contents around a lot of courses would be there, and a lot of tech sector or the tech stack that I would be explaining in this channel. So the main motivation of this channel was to make a complete course, or not very completely, but I could say a very core concept would be there. Everything would be completed. So for example, if I want to explain you an industrial grade LiDAR or some DAC camera, then I have those technology, but you cannot afford those hardware because I personally understand that the lots of financial constraints are there. But if there are some curious guy who want to actually learn the core concept, how they work, how you can implement all of those out of the box when you actually buy one in the future, or where you are going to work on industrial grade technologies like autonomous robots or something like that, then this core concept, understanding this core concept is very important. But what I want to do here is I want to start some courses. I would be building some courses in which I would be explaining all the tech sector that you would be requiring for building the basic project to an intermediate project. What I could promise you here, that what I have learned in this past 4 year, that is something that I want to share with you guys. Like for example, if I'm learning ROS concept, then that is taking me a month or 2 months to learn. That if I'm able to deliver all those content, all those knowledge in a week, then this is what I could say the education or the real education is. So this is what I would be doing in this channel. Over the time, I will be also sharing a lot of tech stack around, and also a lot of project around that you can actually build by yourself. I would try to make every video as knowledgeable as possible. This video or this videos will not be very fancy. I won't be showing you everything in that attractive way, because if you are someone who is learning something, then attractiveness is far different way. Because lots of time we are very addicted to the shorts or the small contents and all, because this corrupt our mind a lot, that we don't really like educational videos at all nowadays. But I try my best to make as as much interactive or as much knowledgeable video as possible for all of these video or the courses that would be coming up. So this is I could say the declaration video of this channel. And in the next video, I'll be sharing the prerequisite that you'll be requiring for your for you to get started with these courses, and what are the hardware, the software, and all other things that is mandatory to get I could say 100% output of these courses. So see you in the next video. I am Vikas. I love robotics. Till then, bye.